All right, guys, in furthering my Toyota Tundra 2010 tutorial on cleaning, really, that's what I'm doing at this point. There's other stuff that's going to happen. You guys have seen in some of my other videos, or you will see in some of my other videos. Right now, I've kind of torn the entire vehicle apart. I'm going to go over putting it all back together and kind of showing you guys step by step how that works. Really trying to clean it out. I've scrubbed this floor right here. Right now I got the rear carpet out. You can see the carpet over there. It's drying. I've scrubbed the carpet. We're dealing with somebody that didn't clean the vehicle maybe at all in several years, had a dog and smoked. So I was watching on YouTube, and I'll give credit in the comments to the video that I watched. About how there is right back here in the glove compartment, right there, that says slide up and remove. Just like your house has an air conditioning filter, the Tundra 2008 through, I want to say 2013, well, I'm sure it's up through the 2020 Tundra, is going to have an air filter. You can get a nice HEPA, almost like a little HVAC air filter. In the 2010 model, this is what this one is. It's an SR5, and there's really no way to get the glove compartment off that I can see that would be easy. I'm sure there's a way to pop it off, but you really don't have to do that. There's like a little table inside the glove compartment. You basically pop that out, and you can see it's attached right here by this little clip, and is also attached right here by these two clips, which have been broken off. So that's a previous owner had broken off those two clips. They fit right in there, and that's where the other clip fits. So I'm going to go ahead and do what this says. It says slide up and remove. So I'm going to slide it up. I'm just going to kind of wiggle it a little bit. I would pull it out by the right hand side, and it's just going to come out nice and easy. And oh, we got another cover there. This cover has two clips. There's one clip on the side, so I'm just gonna push that in with my index finger, kind of pull a little bit. Always being gentle, always trying to be careful. So I feel like there it is. It just came out. And the other side is the same exact clip. I'm gonna pull that. I'm gonna pop out that piece, in which it's going to remind me which side is up, which is nice. And then there you go. There, oh my, does that look dirty? Are you kidding me? Again, I've never really run the air conditioning on this, but this thing looks old and possibly has never been cleaned. Oh my goodness, look at that. So, man, if you want your air conditioner, sorry, I had to laugh. If you want your air conditioner performing well, and your fans blowing cold, hot, whatever, the way they're supposed to blow, you do not want your filter to look like this. This is ridiculous. This filter, I would guess, has not been changed in 10 years. So this is something you definitely want to do if you're looking into keeping your vehicle nice and running well. I'm going to reach back in here. If you reach down, you can feel, I'm just kind of like reaching down. You can feel the fan. It's spinning in my fingers right now. So obviously you wouldn't want the vehicle on. The problem is I'm still pulling out leaves out of the fan. So that would make a noisy fan right there. I don't want to run the fan because it would probably suck those leaves into it, and then they'd get caught in the vents. But it's the same species of leaves are coming out of the fan down there, and the fan, it spins freely. So, oh, there's a lot. There's a lot. So that, I don't know what's going on, but that filter was not even catching all the leaves at this point. I knew I was going to do this. I went ahead and I already ordered. I ordered a two pack, and basically what I'm going to do is you know, just probably keep one for a few years or a couple years or whatever. But again, what I'm doing while I'm talking to you, I'm just pulling out leaf after leaf. I think you guys are going to be good getting everything, back together. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not going to go through that process. But you guys want to get that AC system working the way that it should, and you have one of these vehicles. This may be the same with a Sequoia. It may be the same in a, you know, some of the Scions. It may be the same in a Camry. I don't know, but that right there, that is an important little detail. You do not want it to look like this. This is about as bad as it could possibly be. So hopefully this helped. And I'm going to be having more videos on the Tundra. Click to subscribe if you're interested, and it'll let you know when I post another video. Hope you like the video, and have a great day.